What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back in my shop. I haven't been here in quite some time. I think this is the first time I've been here in about 2 or 3 weeks. Usually I just go straight to the jobs that we're working on and I don't have to come here. So it is a weird feeling, but we have one of our vans in here that we're not using today. We have this truck here that Rodrigo has been working on in his spare time. Put a new hydraulic tank on it and a couple other things. And today we're doing blacktop. So I have this wheelbarrow here and this compactor, plus I got a list of some things we need to take care of, but I need to load these in the bed of my truck and then meet Rodrigo, and we have a new guy that has started with us. So I'm meeting those two guys at a job that we did about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes away from here. And there's a tiny bit of blacktop repair there that we have to do, and then we have a couple other things we need to take care of. So let me get this stuff thrown in the truck and then we will head to that job.
¿Tú comprendes? Problemas. Comienza botando allá atrás, allá. Okay. Sí, todito va a botar, desde atrás para adelante.
Ok, perfecto.
Aí tem somente, fala, é tu mujão, filho. In the morning.
Today?
See?
Why?
He said these roads are closed.
Yeah, well, they were paving it. Why didn't those guys just do that? Should we have that here?
Hey, do it,
Let's
real quick.
get the blacktop here. They just paved it.
We need to leave it over high.
Yeah.
Estamos más cagaditos que estamos de vaca.
All right, guys, so we are done here. We had a little bit of a patch job in front of this staircase here, and then we had to go underneath it all. I think the sun is kind of making it hard to see, but that should be a little better. But we got a little bit of a pitch up against the house to keep the water off the foundation, all around the posts and under the staircase around to the front. This had a concrete stoop before, so when we demoed it and built this staircase, it left all the old landing area and everything underneath it as just dirt and gravel. So that's why we had to come here and get some blacktop in here, but came out pretty good. So we're gonna get out of here and head to the next spot. All right, guys, so we are out in the village that we plow now, and something that we have to do is repair berm that our snow plows accidentally rip up. And right here is one example. We have a little piece here and then up here, there's a couple pieces. This is one spot that tends to get hit almost every year because you're coming down this hill and it's on a bit of a turn here. So there's a little bit of cleanup we got in different spots. And then we got to lay some new blacktop berm down. So this is just something that we do every year, but we have about 4 or 5 spots in the village that we are going to go through. So I will set this up on a time lapse while we do this and see you guys when we're done.
Let's go.
All right guys, so we are back at our complex where our shop is. We are done with all the berm in the village. We get sent a list basically from the village hall, and that's what we have to repair. We do it every year, but we have a couple potholes in the complex here, and Rodrigo is right in front of one of them. So we're going to use the rest of the blacktop that we have and fill the potholes in here. That way the blacktop doesn't go to waste and makes everyone here happy. All right guys, so we are pretty much done. We are just getting ready to dump all the extra blacktop into this bucket. We'll let it harden, and then eventually we will break it up and go to the transfer station and get rid of it. There's just one more pothole that we found. Rodrigo's grabbing a shovel to get some blacktop out of there. He's gonna go fill that before he dumps all that. But I'm running to grab lunch, and that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.